Montessori Recycled Practical Life. There is a lot you can do with a simple box of eggs. Use your cutting exercise and decorate it with different colors you like. Then recycle 2 sizes of water bottles. Cut them to use only the top. By doing this, the child will learn to use hand-eye coordination while working on fine motor skills. If you like, you can add a zipper. By practicing this, the child will feel good to do it himself and be independent. Add a pair of laces to the back. Acquiring coordination of movement and feeling able to succeed is a great part of building on the child's self-esteem. You can choose 3 different buttons. They could be different shapes and sizes too. And keep working the child's fine motor skills that are so important for later writing skills. On the inside of the box, you can use the Montessori colors related to each number and use it as a fun activity to count to 10, practicing the pencil grip or using some tweezers. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.